Today's video is a thrift with me at Goodwill video that quickly turned into a what sold on eBay video. I paid a little less than $30 for the entire thrift haul, and I sold one of the items already for over $40. I made my investment money back. Those of you that follow me on Instagram know that I like to play a game I call Buy or Pass while I'm thrifting at the Goodwill store. Let's take a look at some of those items to see if I bought, if I passed, and if it sold. I asked my Instagram followers if they would buy or pass on this Habit Vinted fishing shirt for $3.50. 36% said buy, while the majority at 64% said pass. I also asked my Instagram followers if they would pick up this Japanese comic t-shirt. The majority at 61% said buy, while only 39% said pass. I also asked Instagram if they would pick up these Moto jeans size 44 for $4.50. The majority at 79% said pass, while only 21% said buy. Well, it's a good thing I don't always listen to my Instagram followers. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, please do. I'm at piece.of.scrap. Now let's see what I bought, what I passed on, and what may have already sold. I stopped by Goodwill on my lunch hour. I picked up these 9 items. My total was less than $30. Now I did have a 10% off coupon. That's my assistant Dolly inspecting the merchandise. I picked up 4 of these Pendleton 100% virgin wool shirts. These shirts were $3.75 before the 10% off. These are in great condition. I checked them over for holes and they looked great. So these should fetch for at least $30, possibly $40 each. In looking at the comparative solds on eBay for the Pendleton shirts, it does look like they are going for at least $69 plus shipping. So I was a little under on my estimate, but turning $3.75 into over $40 is still a great flip. That being said, I accepted a $40 offer on the brown Pendleton shirt plus $7 shipping. So my profit when it was all said and done, $31.43. Now keep in mind, I paid a little less than $30 on this entire haul, so I've already paid money back. I also picked up a pair of Levi denim jeans. These are the 501 button fly. They charged me $4.50 for those. These 2 shirts are Habit. Now this is a new to me brand, but these are fishing gear with a vented back. These are both long sleeve. They charged me $3.75 for those. I did run comps in the store and they looked pretty good, at least $25 each on those. Down here is a t-shirt. Now this is I'm not real sure, it's a comic shirt. Naruto something or other. On the back of it is a very colorful guy. Again, I'm not sure about this comic, but I do believe it was made in Japan or some sort of Japan significance, and I do know that Japanese t-shirts do sell well. And over here is another pair of denim jeans. This is also a new to be brand. It's the, however you pronounce that, W-A-I-M-E-A. These are a fairly large size, over 40. They are skinny jeans with the Moto style. Anything with this Moto style with the bands across the knees tends to sell well for me, and they do have zippers and are distressed. Here you are looking at comparative solds on those Moto jeans. You can see they go from $25 on up, so $28 plus $9.65 shipping, so about $38 shipped. Again, my cost on these jeans, $4.50, and they are a larger size, 44, so they may flip on eBay for more money than that. So I'm going to get all this listed and see how we do. Again, I was in Goodwill for less than 1 hour on my lunch hour. I spent about $30. I'm going to get this listed and see how we do. So to recap, I spent less than 1 hour on my lunch hour at Goodwill. I picked up 9 items for less than $30. One of those 9 items already sold for $47 shipped. And I still have the rest of my thrift lot to sell. Most of the items have been listed already, so if you're interested at all in any of those items, I will have the link to my eBay store in the description below. Subscribe to my channel to see which of these items I've sold since, as I do post weekly What Sold videos. I will link another What Sold video here. Continue watching.